This is Professor Wilson. I have a question here from a student. It is f of n equals n squared plus 2 and g of n equals 3n minus 5. Since the student doesn't tell us anything at all about what she wants done with the function, I decided to take it upon myself to do the algebra of functions, which is add f plus g of n, subtract f minus g of n, multiply f times g of n, divide by g of n, compose the function with the f with the g, f of g of n, and compose the g with the f, g of f of n. Adding, since f of n is n squared plus 2 and g of n is 3n minus 5, it becomes n squared plus 2 plus 3n minus 5. Collecting like terms, that answer becomes n squared plus 3n minus 3. Subtract f minus g of n is n squared plus 2 minus the quantity 3n minus 5. You have to remember to change the signs of everything after a minus by the distributive property. So the n squared plus 2 minus the quantity 3n minus 5 becomes n squared plus 2 minus 3n plus 5. Collect like terms on that. That becomes n squared minus 3n plus 7. Multiply is usually the good old FOIL method. F first, outer, inner, last. So n squared plus 2 times 3n minus 5 would become n squared times 3n, which would be 3n to the third. Outside, n squared times negative 5n squared. Inside, 2 times 3n, 6n. And last, 2 times negative 5, and positive times negative is negative 10, for a final answer of 3n to the third minus 5n squared plus 6n minus 10. Divide is the easiest. Just put one function on top of the other. N squared plus 2 over 3n minus 5, but that's as long as the n does not equal 5 over 3 in the denominator, because the n equals 5 over 3, that becomes 0 in the denominator. You cannot divide by 0. And finally, composing the f of g of n, the n squared plus 2 becomes 3n minus 5 squared plus 2. Multiplying the 3n minus 5 as a binomial, 3n minus 5 times 3n minus 5, is 9n squared minus 30n plus 25 plus 2, for a final answer of 9n squared minus 30n plus 27. And then finally, composing the g of f of n, instead of 3n minus 5, it becomes 3 parentheses n squared plus 2 minus 5. Distributive property will take care of this. 3n squared plus 6 minus 5, and then 6 minus 5 is 1. So your final answer there is 3n squared plus 1.